See what color you like. You want blue? No? Are we going to the dollar store? You're gonna pick out all of your party trees. Are you super excited? Woo, tell everyone how excited you are. Oh my gosh. It's nice outside, isn't it? Woo! Okay, I'm gonna go get Tawny's kennel and we are off. Yes, you're gonna pick out your very own birthday decorations. Are you gonna turn 38 years old? Don't poop on me, please. Okay, you're only gonna be in here for a couple minutes. Kona, are you ready? So we live out in the country and it takes a while to get places. Rishi, are you coming along today? You gonna shop with Tawny for her birthday? I'm so excited, guys. I can't even. All right, let's get going. It's gonna be a drive. Here, Tawny. Tawny. Party decorations. What do you think, Kona? Let's go way down here. All right, so what do we need? Oh, there's a piñata. We totally need a piñata, guys. Oh, this is cute.
Oh, there's streamers.
Okay, Tawny, you gotta pick what color you want. There's white, green, red, purple, blue, yellow, pink, dark blue, orange, and black. Which one do you want? Let's put them down here. Let's have her, let's do like 6 on the ground. Let's see what color you like. You want blue? No? You want orange? Okay, yep, she said yes to orange. You want pink? You want pink? No? Do you want purple? Yes? Oh, okay, so she wants orange and purple. I think these are cool colors too. Step up. Okay, so we can get those. Okay, let's get some of these plates down there. We're gonna do a birthday canvas for Miss Tawny. Okay, let's do, we need a happy, oh here, right here. This happy birthday sign. That's a good decoration. What else do we need? We've got the streamers. Oh, we need candles. We're not gonna light them. Okay, so we need a 3. Oh, snap. Oh, they don't have an 8. You wanna be 39 today?
The 6. The 6.
Hey, we found an 8. Yeah, we did not want to make you 39 this year. No, nobody wants to be older than they're supposed to be. All right, so we've got, let me see, 33 and an 8?
She could be 80.
Oh, look at all this fun stuff. We can get that. All right, Rishi, we're good. So we've got some party supplies. She's got her bird toys. He's super fun. Oh, you know what? I saw something that I like. What else is there? What is this? Oh, look at it. It's a confetti balloon. I don't know. You know what? The birds don't like balloons. They get scared of those. So I'm not going to do that. Flashing decoration? That's kind of cute. Check out. Are you getting tired from all this party shopping? Huh, Kona? Stop is to get my fresh fruits for my birds, and of course we will do a ton for her party. I'm going to start with some bananas. Tawny loves apples, so I always get organic apples for her. It's important that your apples are organic. If there's other things you can't get organic, make sure the apples are. I'm gonna get some of these cutie oranges because all the birds love these. Organic blueberries are a hit in the bird room. As you can see, there's tons of organic here. One of my favorite vegetables to bake with coconut oil for the birds are sweet potatoes. Tons of vitamin A and they go crazy. My last stop today is PetSmart for Tawny's birthday planning. I do not have Tawny with me. I chose not to bring her just because PetSmart does have parakeets, cockatiels, finches. I try to keep my birds away from other birds that I don't know. I would have loved to have had Tawny with us today at PetSmart. We do bring our dog, we bring our hedgehog, we even let our bearded dragon hang out when we're shopping at the pet store. But when it comes to birds, I am a stickler. I don't want my birds around other birds that I don't know. There are some bird diseases that are airborne that your bird can get infected. Love that one. No, I really like these. She loves these. Yeah, I already have one of those for her. I wanted something different for her 38th birthday. We have this one for Boo. He loves it. He's been chewing the heck out of it. Okay, this is a bird kebab. I think we're gonna try this for Tawny for her birthday. This is gonna be super fun. We're gonna head home and set up.